In this video, I will show you how to deactivate only your Facebook account and keep using Messenger account. To do this thing, you can use your Messenger application. Open your Messenger application. After opening, you have to tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then you will get this menu. Here you have to select setting under your profile name. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Account Center. Here select Personal Details under Account Setting. Now select Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Select Facebook. Here you have to select the Deactivate account. Most of you, it will get selected by default. After selecting, tap Continue. Then you have to re-enter your password. Now you have to provide a reason. I will select the very first one. This is temporary. Then scroll down and tap the Continue button. In the next window, scroll all the way to the bottom. Then tap 7 days. In the pop-up window, you have to select Don't reactivate automatically. Then tap Continue. Now here you have to check this option. Keep using Messenger. So if you want to continue using Messenger, you have to check this option. Otherwise, the both account will be deactivated. So check this option to deactivate only your Facebook account. Now scroll down and select Deactivate my account. Then you will get this message. Now your account is deactivated, as well as you can see deactivated expect messenger. Here you can deactivate your messenger too, so don't do that thing. Now I recommend you to close your all application or close your messenger application and reopen it. After reopening, you will get this kind of pop-up message. Keep using Messenger. You have deactivated only your Facebook account. While deactivating your Facebook account, you can continually use your Messenger account. So just tap the continue button. Now you can use your Messenger account while deactivating your Facebook account. So instead of deactivating, if you want to delete them, click this end screen video and come on over. Later.